Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see from the title of this vlog, I am going to Royal Holloway University. It is currently 9:30 AM. I just got ready, I put my makeup on, did my hair. This is the outfit I'm wearing. I'm just about to head out soon. The weather isn't the best right now, but hopefully the weather will be better there. If you guys are new, hello, I am Louisa. I post lifestyle, personal and vlog content including self-care and mental health tips, and we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So plan is I'm going to a dog therapy session at the SU. I've never tried it before at university, so I thought today was a good day. And then I'm going to read my new book. I ordered it off Amazon. I'm also going to do some editing in the library or cafe on campus. The last time I went there, I actually vlogged it back in February. I met Sel and Maid. I went to her self-confidence workshop, which was good. I just finished the modules the week before last week, which feels good. I don't know the results yet. I'm going to find out next month. Let's go to Royal Holloway University. It's a 2-hour journey from here. So I just got on the train. It's currently 11 AM. Here I am.
Station is Feltham Oyster. Contactless payment. Gorgeous dog. Oh, so sweet. So just did the dog therapy session, was there for a bit. It's quite cloudy. I'm just next to the library. This is good. This is with soy milk, and then I'm gonna do some editing in the library. This is good. I'm trying to save this for when I'm doing editing. I forgot to tell you guys that I'm potentially going to start doing some challenges that are outside of my comfort zone. Luckily, no one is looking at me vlogging. When I was near Liverpool Street, I felt like people were judging me for vlogging. This is my go-to order. So happy that I got this. I haven't had this in a few months. It's been 3 months since I've been to Royal Holloway University. It's good to be back, although it isn't sunny, although the weather isn't the best.
pretty good, I think physics is better. Yeah. I just wait and then. Yeah.
I'm currently in the car park by Founders Building, as you can see, and I'm just about to leave soon. I'm going to try and stop at Feltham and show you guys the game arcade. I don't know if I can do it with the ticket I ordered on Trainline. Not much has been going on. I was just editing and then I read a bit. Also, comment down below if you would want me to do a staying overnight challenge. So the next time I go to Royal Holloway University, I will potentially be staying overnight or staying on the campus for 24 hours. Something to do with that for entertainment. There are some people on Founders Field. I'm gonna walk back to Egham train station, take the train, and then see if I can stop off at Feltham. It is currently 6 p.m. So yeah, I managed to do 2 hours of editing. It's not that much today, but at least I got some done. It is taking a long time. Editing is time consuming sometimes. The memories. So this is North Founders Square. If you guys have been to Royal Holloway University or you know it, then obviously you'll know the places I'm showing. So yeah, I'm actually kind of glad I went to Royal Holloway Uni today. Bye Royal Holloway Uni. I'll see you soon. See you soon, Royal Holloway Uni. Today wasn't that eventful. I'll be making my way back to Royal Holloway Uni again, and I think I will vlog and document it. Hey guys, if you made it to this point, thank you so much. It wasn't a completely different special vlog, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Just had pizza, fresh pizza for dinner, and I was drinking that pink lemonade that I got from Marks and Spencer's. It's nice. I was thinking of getting the green smoothie. I'm gonna take my makeup off. I also enjoy traveling to university and back. I actually find it kind of therapeutic, and I find it enjoyable to have a balance of being in this town, being in my family home, and then being at university. I don't even know what results I got, but I'm just happy that I completed the modules. I got outside of my comfort zone again today, even though I didn't really feel like going. I pushed myself. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys, love you all. Thank you so much for subscribing. See you guys very soon. It was so cute. It was so gorgeous.
Yes, yes, yes.
On the side,
Baby.
and you get the code for that page.
So you don't have to faff
Good
around.
boy.